Good morning, class. In our previous classes, we had completed the chapter complex number and quadratic equation, and today we are going to start our new chapter binomial theorem. Before starting this chapter, we must know about some basic term related to this chapter, and the first topic is factorial notation. What is factorial notation? The continued product of first n natural numbers is called factorial, and it is denoted by factorial n or this symbol. Means factorial n equal 1 into 3 into 4 into 5 and so on into n. Means the continued product of first n natural number is called factorial n. If we have to find the value of factorial 5, then factorial equal 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. We have to find factorial 4, then it is equal 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Factorial 7 equal 1 into 2 to 3 4 5 to 6 into 7. We can also write this formula in this form: 7 factorial 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Means factorial 7 can be written as this term. Means factorial n also can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 3 into 2 into 1, and we see that this is the product of n minus 1 term. This is the product of n minus 1 term. Then we can write factorial n equal factorial n minus 1. We have this formula: factorial n equal factorial n minus 1. Means if you have to find the value of factorial 5, then factorial 5 equal factorial n equal n into factorial n minus 1, then factorial 5 equal 5 into factorial 5 minus 1, means 5 into 4. Now factorial 4 can be written as 4 into 4 minus 1, means 5 into 4 into 3, and factorial 3 can be written as 5 into 4 into 3, and 3 minus 1 means 2, and 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 1 minus 1 means 2 minus 1 means 1, and the value of factorial 1 is 1. Then it is equal 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Combination. The number of combination of n things taken r at a time is denoted by NCR. Means NCR represents the number of selection of r object out of n object. It is defined only when n and r are non-negative. NCR is calculated by the formula NCR equal factorial n factorial r factorial n minus r. Means if we have to find factorial, if you have to find 5c3, then it is NCR, means n equal 5 r equal 3. We have factorial n means factorial 5 by factorial r means factorial 3, and n minus r means 5 minus 3. Then factorial 5, factorial 3, 5 minus 3 equal 2. Now factorial 5, we can write factorial 5 as 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2. Factorial 3 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, and factorial 2 is cancelled out. We have then value of 5c3 equal 10. Now if we have to find 6c2, then it is equal by the formula factorial n factorial r, factorial n minus r means 6c2 can be written as factorial 6 by factorial r means factorial 2, and n minus r means 6 minus 2. Now factorial 6 by factorial 2 into 6 minus 2 means 4. Now we change factorial 6 into factorial 4 form, means we remove 6 and 5 from here and we get factorial 4. Factorial 2 can be written as 2 into 1 means it is equal to, and factorial 4. Then factorial 4 cancel out. We have 15. The value of 6c2 is 15. The value of 18c12 equal factorial 18 factorial 12 factorial 18 minus 12. Now change 18 into factorial 12 form. We remove 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 and factorial 12. Now factorial 12, 18 minus 12 means factorial 6. Factorial 12 cancel out. Now 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 14 into 13 by factorial 6 can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 3 जा 18, 4 हो जा 16, 5 3 जा 15, 3 cancel out, 2 2 जा 4. On multiplying this term, we get the value of 18c12. Some basic formulae of NCR is NC0 equal 1, means if we have 5c0 then it is equal 1. NCN equal 1 means if we have 7c7 then value of this term is equal 1. NC1 equal n means example if we have 4c1 it is equal 4, and NC n minus 1 equal n means if we have 7c7 minus 1 then it is equal 7. Example. These are some important formulas of NCR.